to fix the Valorant comms not working error. 1. Check audio settings in Valorant. Hints. 1. Ensure you're using the correct output and input devices. 2. You may need to adjust the mic volume setting. 3. Reset Valorant's audio settings at Settings Audio Voice Chat. 3.1. Choose the right output device and input device as default system device. 3.2. Set your incoming volume and mic volume level to at least 50%. Plan B. Activate voice chat in Valorant. Change the voice chat option and change settings such as party voice activation mode and party voice during custom game. Hat. Settings audio voice chat option. Hint. You may use either team voice chat or party voice chat. Hat. Settings controls communication locate party voice push to talk key and team voice chat push to talk key. To check input and output devices in Windows settings, ensure your microphone is working correctly. 3. Run Valorant as administrator. 4. Allow microphone access. Allow your game to access your microphone. 5. Update audio drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Clean boot your Windows.